Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Shar, and today we are going to do an unstuffing of almost all of my sinking funds, except for the ones that are necessary, and you'll see that as we get further into the video. But I got a letter maybe about a week ago, almost a week ago, from the underwriters that hold my home insurance policy, and they're needing me to replace my roof. And if I don't replace my roof by the end of December, then they will not renew my homeowner's policy, and it needs to be renewed by the beginning of January. So, with that being said, I'm going to go further into debt because I have to replace my roof because I have to have homeowner's insurance on my home. So I'm going to unstuff almost all my envelopes and pay off one of the back taxes bills that I owe. And I'm also going to pay off, or not pay off, but I'm going to make a large lump sum payment to my credit card because that will help me pay that off by the end of August if everything stays the same and there's nothing else that goes wrong. Let's knock on some wood because we don't need nothing else to go wrong. I did, when I got that notice, I sat and thought for a day, and I had an offer for another credit card because clearly I don't have $8,000 to $10,000 in savings to pay the roof in cash, to fully pay it for it. So I applied for a credit card that is 0% interest for 18 months. It's a Discover card. So the amount that they gave me on a credit card is more than enough to pay for the roof. And I have someone coming out here in a few days to actually give me an estimate on how much it would cost. I've looked at several companies. And of course, I've looked at the reviews and all of that. And the company that I have coming out, there's nothing but good reviews. They also came out in my town in this area and did a lot of roofs for a lot of my neighbors because of hail damage. I luckily did not have hail damage on my roof, so thankful for that. And I have no leaks or anything of that nature. But I guess some of the shingles on my roof are like wear and tear is what the underwriter said. There's no like visible damage. No shingles are like loose or missing. But I did know that when I bought this house over 3 years ago, that the previous owners was in here for maybe 5 years or so. They did not know when the roof was last replaced. They had never replaced the roof. So going off of that, I know the roof is at least 8 years old, if not older. So it is time to replace it anyways. It's just unfortunate that it's during this time when I'm working on paying off debt. So without further ado, let's get started and unstuff my sinking funds. So let's go ahead and just start with our high priority. I'm not unstuffing car upkeep because I still have to maintain maintenance on my vehicle. Dental will not be unstuffed. Gifts will be, so it's 20, 25, and 30. Home deductible will be, and of course, because they're asking me to replace the roof, this is not something that they will pay for, or like I pay my deductible and they paid the rest. This is 100% solely out of my pocket. So home deductible, we're taking 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, and 255. My heart sunk so bad when I got that news. Like, man. Med deductible, we're taking 100, 20, 40, and 145. And the money that I have in my other high yield savings account, I will just transfer it over. Medical will stay. Self-care will actually stay. Short pay, 5 and 10. Wardrobe will stay. And bank buffers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is it for our high priority. I've also, you'll see it when I do my pre-plan for my budget. I've also lowered the amount that I do or I will put into my sinking funds, and I will only be doing a few envelopes that I will be stuffing until I pay off this current credit card that I have and until I get all of my back taxes paid off, and then I will up or go back to my normal amount that I stuff in my sinking funds. Annual pay and car insurance and therapy will stay, and of course vision will. Emergency fund, 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. Fed tax, we're going to take out 20, 40, 45, and 50. Land is 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. Month ahead is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. New car is 20, 40, 60, and 65. And then the $2 that we have in investments. I'm still trying to decide if I'm just going to take the few envelopes that I know I'm going to stuff over the next couple of months and just put them in one binder and then just work from that binder. And then when I'm back to normal, then I will like put them back how they're supposed to be. I think that's what I'm going to do. In personal, we're taking, or personal, in dates, we're taking 5, 10, 15, and 20. Family time is 5, 10, 15, and 20. Hair care is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kindness projects, 10. Massages is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Planning is 5, 10, and 15. Toiletries will stay. And then I'm going to take wellness, and that's 20 and 25. And then this $5 from rollover. Okay, so that's it for personal. In our home binder, appliances will be 20, 40, 50, 55, and 60. Decor will be 20, 40, and 45. Furniture is 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, and 85. Gardening is 20, 25, and 30. Home projects, we have 20, 40, 50, and 55. And upkeep, we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, and 100. Pest control, we have 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, and 95. And this envelope was just to get me like a month ahead a year ahead to pay my pest control bill annually instead of monthly. Stock up is only 5, and yard work will stay because I still need my daughter to cut my grass for me. So that's it for our home binder. And then in our low priority, we have 1 in Amazon. We have a 1 in bulk shopping, 1 in electronics, 1 in entertainment. We have 2 in road trip. We have 2 in seasons, and we have 2 in splurge. Car tax, property tax, and school will stay the same. And I might just go ahead. Okay, and so our last binder is our holiday binder. So anniversary is 10, 15, 16, and 17. My birthday is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Valentine's Day is 5 and 10. We're going to take this Halloween, that's 5 and 10. Thanksgiving will stay, but Black Friday, 20, 40, 45, 46, and 47. Christmas will stay, and New Year's Eve will come out. So we have 20, 30, 31, and 32. Okay, so we're keeping Christmas and Thanksgiving. Set those to the side. And we are going to take yard work. It's coming out. And toiletries. We're going to do a count and see how much we have. And all 3 of these. Okay. So I need, we set these to the side that we're removing. Short pay, wardrobe, and I'll just leave that back there. Okay. What do we have? Annual. We're going to do car insurance. We have our car upkeep. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Okay. Those were like bills. How about that? So, car tax. We're going to do property tax. And we'll do therapy and school. Boom. Okay. And we have car upkeep and dental. Here's the thing: is it all gonna fit in here? Because I have no clue. It should fit, hopefully. Okay. Yard work, toiletries. Why did I just do that? Vision. Then need Thanksgiving, Christmas, yard work. I'll move that. Wardrobe, that. I'm going to put vision right there. Okay, so high priority. I thought I had a I'm going to take this out. There we go. Well, okay. So these are the low priority back here. This is a high priority. Oh, like it barely fits. I might end up having to put it into 2 binders. I might do my white binder, my black binder, but for now, that's what it's going to be. Okay, so let's count. In prop bills that I'm going to transfer over, we have 250. In 50s, 51, and 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay. And 10, 80, 91, 20. Ooh, these 5s. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 40. 45. Okay. So we have $1,455 that we are going to pay, like $450 to pay off my smallest tax bill. That will be done, and then the other 1,000 and change will go towards my Quicksilver credit card. So that is where we stand. So I thank you for tuning in. It was a short and quick video. My next one will be my pre-plan, which you will see me bring over the 1455 into the budget, and you will see those numbers. But until then, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Bye.